Good morning, class 7. Today on 11th of July, children, we are on the last topic of this chapter, that is neutralization reaction, and it is the very important topic. So children, in the previous lectures, we have discussed about the indicators, and you have studied that when indicators are added in the acid or basic solution, the color of the solution changes, and by observing the change in the color of the solution, you can determine whether the given solution is acidic or basic in nature. Different indicators gives different color, or sometimes the indicator does not changes its color on the acidic or basic solution. So by observing it carefully, you can determine whether it is acidic or basic in nature. Children, I am going to explain you about the neutralization reaction by explaining you an activity. Here you all know that due to the lockdown, acid, base and other chemicals and indicators are not available here. So you only listen the explanation and understand. Children, take a test tube and add 4 drops of acid in it, any acid. Okay, and with the help of dropper, add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator in it. Children, as you all know that when phenolphthalein is added in the acid solution, the color of the solution becomes colorless. Means there is no change in the color. The solution become colorless. Okay, children, now add equal amount of base, means 4 drop of bases in it. 4 drops of base, any base, sodium hydroxide or any, in it with the help of dropper, and means the amount of acid and base is equal, 4 drops, both acid and base. And children, after some time you will observe that what, the color changes or not? No, the color will not change. The solutions become colorless. So why the color does not change on adding the base? Because here the amount of base is equal to the amount of acid. Okay children, now add 4 more drops of basic solution in it, means 4 more drops of bases in it. Here the amount of base is more than the amount of acid, and children, you will observe that the color of the phenolphthalein changes to the color of the solution changes to pink. Earlier it was colorless and now it becomes pink color. So what is the reason? Okay, let's again add 4 drops of acid in it, means again the amount of acid and base is equal. Then will what happen? Then again the solution becomes colorless. It means when you add the equal amount of acid and base in the solution, or to make a solution, the acid and base neutralize the effect of each other, means they destroy the effect of each other, means the solution is neither acidic nor basic, because the amount of acid and base are same. So children, with the help of this activity, I only want to explain you that when an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. And when an acid solution and a base solutions are mixed in a suitable amount, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. Means the resulting solution is neither acidic or nor basic. Then what its nature? If it is neither acidic nor basic, then what is its nature? So children, neutralization reaction, the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. And in this reaction, salt and water are produced. Clear? Means salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Evolution of heat means heat evolved out, means heat is released in this reaction. So children, neutralization is a reaction in which acid reacts with base to form salt and water, along with heat is evolved. Children, you can represent the reaction in the equation form. RECN, it is the short notation of reaction. You don't use to write this. Reaction acid plus base to form salt, water, and heat is evolved. So this is the reaction equation of neutralization reaction. For example, I am explaining you with the help of a suitable example. Children, for example, you have taken hydrochloric acid. Its symbol is HCl. Means hydrochloric acid is noted in short as HCl. Its nature is acidic. Means it is an acid. Now add sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide, it is a basic in nature. And when acid or base, means hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, react with each other, they form sodium chloride, that is NaCl, and NaCl is a salt. And H2O, water, along with the heat is evolved. So children, you must remember that when an acid reacts with a base, it forms salt, water, and a lot of heat is evolved. Now the question is that what is the nature of this salt? Children, it is a very important point to be noted that salt may be acidic, may be basic, or may be neutral in nature. It is not sure that salt is always neutral in nature. It may be basic, it may be acidic in nature. Clear? So these are all about the neutralization reaction. And children, there is a lot of use of neutralization reaction in our everyday or in our daily life.